So this back office system is the database that I showed you that had that number type there. And then what happens is it goes over to company's house, compares the address data, and then determines if there's a match. If there's a match, it updates Jira, it takes a screenshot, puts it in the evidence drive, and then also updates Jira if there's no match, and then takes a different snapshot for each. And if there is a failure, it then sends a message to Slack. And if it's able to capture in the screenshot, or if there's an alternative kind of error where something happens after it's captured a screenshot, it puts the evidence in the evidence folder, right? So what that looks like is here, I've picked this company, Major Account Sales Limited. I'm just going to copy that into my form here. Then copy the number. I specifically have copied a number with a 0 in the front. The address, let's grab the address here. Let's go in here, put the address, address line 2. Mind you, this aspect, this probably isn't something that you mentioned that you needed me to look at. So I was just trying to simulate what you have in your backend. So this aspect of the bit that we had issues with probably may not come up, or would have to build something around that. So country, United Kingdom, and then the postcode here. So grab the postcode, put that in the postcode, and then we submit. Okay, so off it goes, right? So now what I expect is a Jira ticket to appear saying that something has been, there's a new request that's come in, and then the thing that monitors our form will pick up that the form has been created. 105, yep, so it's loaded it. So even though the number has a 0 in front of it, let's see, yeah, there you go, it's just appeared with the 0 in front. That's now saved correctly. Then the next things we want would be for the validator to run. The validator has run and has completed, it seems. Let's see over here, what's here? Just refreshing the screen so you can see it. Major Account Sales Limited. So that's built the Jira ticket. And then what's left is for the upload to run. So once the screenshot has been taken, and because there's something that runs in the background, we'll sit here just monitoring to see when the result comes back. So once the result comes back, it will get uploaded into so now it's detected that the job has run, right? Okay, it's still spinning, trying to get all the information, right? So it's run through, it's completed, it's detected everything it needed to detect. So now the final thing I need to check is that it's created a folder. It has created a folder. Let's go inside, evidence folder, and then double click it, right? There it is, Major Account Sales Limited. It's done the same here, Major Account Sales Limited. So it all works. It just had that that tricky situation there that we haven't tested, but this is a proof of concept. The other thing to also note is that we've got 2 entries here for the same company. Now, how does this tool handle it? Very easily. So it comes back. Let's go back to all the folders that are created. So you may not want to arrange it this way, but this is how I've arranged it. So let's go into Muir's Construction Limited, go into the evidence folder. You've got 2 evidences there rather than creating multiple folders per organization. So it's arranged neatly. So the thing that you want is essentially here. I'm sure there'll be other edge cases that we'll find out that we haven't tested yet, but this is the first. Okay, so this final zoom is just really to show you that Jira gets updated as well automatically. So once the job is completed, the issue is set to done. And then once it's set to done, it disappears obviously from the backlog. And to prove that it does go to done, look here. If we look at the status page, if we go to tickets that have been done, you have this major account sales limited, which was the one I was looking at earlier, set to done, it disappears. That means it's concluded. If there was an error with the validation, it would remain in the backlog. Obviously, it depends on how you operate internally. We can replicate that as well in an automated fashion. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions or you need more information. So that's it for now. Thank you very much.